Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Wondering when will Gurren Lagann Season 2 release? Gurren Lagann Season 2 or Tengen Toppa Gurren Lagann is regularly called the best anime collection ever. Obviously, like all the different well-known anime collection, it additionally has a variety of haters. In order to visit lengths to speak about the collection, however, they are significantly outnumbering via way of means of the big fan base. Some enthusiasts actually worship Gurren Lagann, which sounds crazy. It's a Japanese mecha anime TV collection which energizes via way of means of Gainax and co-brought via way of means of Aniplex and Konami. It ran for 27 scenes on TV Tokyo amongst April and September of 2007 and changed into coordinated via way of means of Hiroyuki Imaishi and composed via way of means of veteran creator Kazuki Nakashima. Talking approximately about the anime, it's so far one of the anime indicates which begins very sluggish and the visitors get a terrible influence of the display. If you don't recognize approximately about the display from earlier, then you may go away. It begins and circulates on with a specific anime collection, and in case you got beyond this degree, you will get to recognize the authentic, really well worth of the display. Gurren Lagann, because the display begins to choose up the tempo and a totally specific path after the primary 4 to 5 episodes of the display. The second you assume you have the truthful concept of what's proven about approximately, your thoughts is tossed and flipped. Every 12 months around April 1, rumors begin to flow into approximately that the display is coming around again. However, there is by no means any authentic or legit information about when we can expect about it. Additionally, no means see a reason for a season 2 of Gurren Lagann. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The makers of the display have additionally by no means performed whatever which teased a second season of the display, but if via way of means of magic the second one season of the display is ever introduced, we are able to assist you to recognize, so preserve following this area. As of now, there is no Gurren Lagann season 2 release date. The Earth is captured by a way of means of one of the humanoids, additionally called as the Beastsmen, who begin to terrorize the final humans. Simon and Kamina are up with inside this underground city, and both of them have a very specific personalities from each other. Kamina is an unfastened lad who goes massive, while Simon does not recognize what he is going to do with his future. They meet with short-tempered Yoko, and shortly all three of them tour to the Earth. They then combat with the humanoids to carry again peace to the world. I will now no longer inform a lot about this collection, and because it merits to be seen. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.